Hey, welcome back to Chef Buck's Kitchen. All right, today what we're going to be making some roast beef. I've been dying for some roast beef sandwiches, some legitimate roast beef heroes. All right, so without further ado, I'm going to get you a closer look at what I'm going to do here because I got to trim this. I got here beef round, eye of round roast, two of them. All right, so let me get you a closer look and show you exactly what I'm doing with these before we go any further. Okay, as you see, I got two eye of round roasts here because we're going to make some delicious roast beef. Very, very easy to do, and I mean easy. But like these are partially frozen here. They're partial because I like them frozen when I start to trim. All right, because it makes my life so much easier. See how that just comes off just with a knife. I'm using a boning knife actually to do the trimming. All right. Just trying to get rid of that little bit of fat. So I want some lean meat. All right. Shaving it away. Make believe you are a surgeon. Or what do you call them people? Plastic surgeons, yeah. Okay. Looking good. Nicely done. Now I'm gonna get the top here, which is starting to thaw very quickly. All right, and make sure, see right in here, that's that silver skin. Don't want that. There you go. All right. So you get the logistics of what I'm doing here. All right. And I'm going to finish up the two. And then we'll move on to the next step, okay? So y'all guys stay tuned because I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna heavily salt this these two eye around roasts with salt, and that's all I'm gonna do with them. I'm gonna heavily season them with salt. I'm gonna put them on a wire rack, and then I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator overnight for 24 hours. All right. Then the next following day, I'm going to pat it dry, all right? Very important, pat it dry, and then I'm going to season it with garlic powder. I'm using my homemade garlic powder. I will put that video up pretty soon of homemade garlic powder. It's very simple to do with a dehydrator, and black pepper, and that is it. All right, to make me some nice roast beef for some sandwiches. All right, so let me get in here. Like I said, the thick pieces of meat. Make sure you get all sides. All right. Get the back. Make sure you get the front. All right. Yeah, the salt, let the salt do its thing. It's gonna season the meat. You might think, well, damn, he's putting a lot of salt. No, I'm not. It's a thick piece of meat. All right. Get it all mopped up here. Okay. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna place them onto a wire rack. All right. And these are gonna go into the refrigerator for 24 hours to the next following day. And then from there, we're gonna get our cooking on, all right? So y'all guys stay with me. Don't go nowhere, because I will be back. All right, after 24 hours, I then removed the roast from the refrigerator. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pat these dry, and then I'm gonna season them with garlic powder and black pepper. All right, let me give you a closer view of what I'm doing. There we go. There we go. All right, so what I'm gonna do, just pat them dry as best as you can. All right. Now, like I said, these have been in the refrigerator for over 24 hours. All right. Just get it, dry as, as best as possible. Get all the corners and the front. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do with this here now, I'm gonna season this with black pepper. All right. All sides. All right. Even the front, back, and same thing for the other one. I know it's a process here, but the outcome is wonderful. You'll never have to go buy your own roast beef again. You can make yours and have lunch meat for you and your family. All right, because it's very expensive per pound for roast beef. All right, now I am going to put the video out on my garlic, homemade garlic, how I made it. All right, and this stuff is fantastic. Just give it a nice good coating. Do both sides. You're going to make sure you get it all. Get all the sides. All right. Now, after I finish this up, what I'm going to do, at least, I'm going to let it rest for about an hour. All right, to try to bring it up to room temperature. Right now, she's cold. All right, she's definitely cold. All right. Make sure you want to get it all. All right. I don't think I got this side. All right. Let me cap this. Get that out of the way. All right. So what I'm going to do with this right now, I'm going to let it rest for at least an hour. And, okay, Google, set timer for 1 hour.
Got it. 1 hour. And that's starting now.
All right. So when that timer's up, y'all guys don't go nowhere, because I'll be right back. All right, these roasts have been sitting for about an hour. And right now, I got some olive oil in the skillet here. And all I want to do right now is debrown them. All right, so what I'm going to do, start them a nice good sear on all sides. This is only going to take a couple of minutes to do. All right. So I got the heat up to high, but I'm gonna turn it down to like medium. Oh, you can smell it so good right now. So remember, I am making these for roast beef sandwiches. Okay. Just let them get the color that I want, and once they come to that color, I shall return. I'll be right back Don't go nowhere. All right, I got it to the desired color that I want all the way around. All right, but I decided that this one is going to be for sandwiches tomorrow. This one is going to be for dinner tonight. All right, so this one has, I'm going to put into the preheated oven at 275 degrees. And the internal temperature that I'm looking for the roast beef sandwiches is at 130 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I have my probe here, and I'm going to insert my probe into the middle of this meat here. All right, and now I'm going to put it into the 275 degree oven until the temperature reaches 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So y'all guys stay tuned. Don't go nowhere because this is going to be some good eats. So I'll be right back. All right, it's been about 2 hours and 15 minutes, and this roast is done. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this roast and I'm going to let it completely cool down, all right, to room temperature. All right, I'm not even going to touch it. Well, I am going to touch it, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in this bowl here. All right, move this out of the way. Out of the way. And I'll put it in this bowl here and let it completely cool down. And once it's cooled down, I'll be back to finish up this video. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. All right, this roast beef has been resting for a very good, about an hour. All right, so what I'm going to do, oh, look at that. Look at that gravy right there. But I don't want that. I'm going to save it for the other roast beef that I'm going to have for a meal tonight, which we're going to test. But what I'm going to do with this one here, I'm going to take this and I'm going to wrap it really good. Really, really good. And I'm going to place this in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. All right. Nice and tight. All right. I want to wrap. Nice and tight. And that is good right there. All right. So what I'm going to do with this here, this is going to the refrigerator for the roast beef sandwiches tomorrow. Don't skip this step. You need to do this step. You need to put it in the refrigerator at least 24 hours. All right. So what we're going to do now, let me get this in the refrigerator now. I will see you in 24 hours. Let me get rid of this. Okay. Now, we have this one. Yum, yum. Now, I'm going to cut me a couple of thin slices, but I'm not going to go crazy because it's a very small piece. And this is for dinner tonight. All right. So here we go. Nicely done. Oh, that is so good. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, this is so freaking good. That's it. I can't eat no more because I'll continue to eat it. But we'll go one more slice. One more little thin slice. That is good. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to learn how to cook this, follow the video. It's simple. 3 ingredients: salt, pepper, garlic powder, and that is it. All right? This is so damn delicious. Oh, I can't wait for sandwiches. All right, but anyway, if you like this video, give me thumbs up. Subscribe, ring that bell. Tell your friends and family about Cooking with Chef Puff. All right? We make cooking simplified. All right? So, without further ado, y'all guys have a wonderful evening. Bye!